Good evening. Today is Sunday, 24th January 2021. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and this video show is about trading the Nifty and the Nifty Bank for swing traders and intraday traders. Today we are going to discuss a Nifty chart which is slightly different from the charts that we discuss normally. This is a daily chart for the Nifty. We are looking at a daily chart because we want to have a larger view for the index rather than just a shallow intraday view. We will also look at the smaller time frame chart, but let's look at the bigger view. It's easy. From October end, which essentially means November, this is the moving average, which is the faster moving average. The red one is the slower moving average. The blue one is the faster one. The faster moving average crossed the slower one. This is a buy signal. This tells us, or rather don't think of it as a buy signal, think of it as a trend signal. This tells us that the trend has now become up. So in an uptrend, we'll try to look to buy wherever we can and look where it took us. Here, 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 all the way here. So clearly this signal was valid, and anyone simply following and saying, okay, I will go long, I will not go short, would have been on the right side of the market and made money. In between, there was a slight modification of this signal. Let's see what it is. Note from here and this price, the faster moving average actually went below the longer moving average, the slower moving average. And this is a trend change or a new trend signal. Now, this told us that the trend has changed to down, but we do not take a trend change signal blindly. After all, if the trend has changed, then the market must go in that direction. What is the first sign that the market is going in that direction? The market breaks the low of the trend change day. But this was the low. But this low was not broken. And I'll just draw the line for you. This was the low. This low was not broken. The prices went up, opened with a gap and went higher the next day. The next day again they went higher. So this low was never broken. This low was not broken. This low was not broken. Finally, they went higher, and the trend change, which was on the downside, again changed to the uptrend. Again, without actually creating a tradable downtrend. The tradable downtrend would have emerged if the low of any of these price bars was broken on the downside. That did not happen. So this became a correction rather than a trend change. And then we are again going up. Again we are moving till Friday. That's day before, the last price bar. What is significant about Friday, and this is the reason why we took up this daily chart, the faster moving average has actually gone below the slower moving average. While you can't see it very clearly, if you see the values, this is now lower. This is again a trend change signal. This one had come here, but the trend did not change and the lows were never broken. But after almost November, December and January, after 3 months, another trend change signal has come. Now, like this earlier one, this can simply be a failure, and the trend change will not be confirmed, may not be confirmed, and then we can all go up again. But the important part is this signal has come. So let's not ignore it. Now, when do we get a confirmed trend change message? The first message is if the price goes tomorrow below the low, and the low is 14,357.75. But it is possible that prices may go below the low in the early first 15 minutes and then go up throughout the day. So after going below the low, if you want an early morning signal, then you have to also see that the high is not crossed, which means the intraday opening range breakout doesn't occur on the high, because that could mean prices started here and then went up throughout the day. But a more confirmed signal will come if tomorrow's close is also lower, or at least around this close of Friday, and the trend persists on going down. And it's important that this low is broken also. So I'll summarize this again. This low should be broken The opening range breakout should not break on the high on the upside, signaling a uptrend tomorrow, and preferably the close tomorrow should be somewhere in this region and with a low below this, which means we want a confirmation that this low has been broken, and we would like the moving average down line to continue by the time the market closes. This signal to continue. Will it happen? I have no idea. But it's interesting because this event is happening rarely after almost 3 months, and there was only one such event in the middle and it did not work out. So if the trend changes, we will change our focus and say now we are looking to sell on rallies rather than buy on dips. Normally these corrections do not last long, but for whatever period they continue with, we'll go with the trend. So tomorrow would be interesting because we will get a confirmation if this trend is actually changing on the downside or if this is a correction like the earlier one. I hope you enjoy these videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Jai Hind.